Okay, happy Super Bowl, everybody. Here I am putting Jack Daniels Coca-Cola drink. Maybe I'll try it next time after the breakfast. It doesn't hurt me. It's like a soda. It's actually in a soda can, not alcohol bottle. Don't judge me, guys. I'm putting it along with Pepsi. That doesn't contain alcohol. It's a little bit of alcohol. It's better than beer, in my opinion. Maybe next time I'll do Blue Ribbon beer. Maybe I'll do it without bread. Maybe a biscuit. I love biscuits. Alright. It looks like a soda can, which is great. It's gotta go right here. I'll move these waters. Oops, my bad. For letting that can fall. Oh, god damn, man. Yeah, I should watch my language. I gotta make them cold, so I made these waters off screen. Oh, god damn, man. Every time these bottles keep falling, I get upset. Without any mess in the background, just filming the drinks. I'm emptying out boxes for the bonfire, so to keep the drinks cold. I guess that's for the I do a flaming hot soup challenge. I end up cursing because I'm an adult. I don't curse around kids. Don't judge me, guys. I'm telling the audience. Well, next up, Diet Pepsi. Where does it go? Right here, I believe. That's how you put in the black mini fridge. So that's pretty much it for this video. And by the way, this is Marcus R. from Richie the Great 89. So don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tours in another video. Peace. Bye. Thank you and good night.